Do you know what's special? It's my sister's birthday. And we're going to show you how to make cake. Now let's go and start making the cake for my sister. So first, to make the cake, we need the cake mix, 3 eggs, and oil, and a cup of water. And we need the mixer, and we need a bowl. First, we need to put all these ingredients into the bowl. First, put cake mix into the bowl. Next, break the eggs. Now add a little bit of oil. Now start. This is how it looks. Now put butter on the cake pan so the cake does not stick. Now pour the mix into the cake pan. Now we have to put this in the oven. Now it looks like a puffer fish because it puffed, and also like a puri. This is how it looks. Now you have to add the frosting. This is how the frosting looks like, and I'm going to apply it on the cake. The frosting is done. Now we're going to add sprinkles. I'm excited because it's going to be so yummy. I am using unicorn sprinkles because my sister loves taste. It's done. Now I'm going to bring my sister. Action! Come, have a surprise. Ta-ta! Yes. Thank you. Let's taste the cake now.